Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how to show and hide button dynamically using filter in a Lightning record page in Salesforce. If you want to display buttons only for based on some specific conditions, this video is definitely for you. Without wasting your time, let's get started. So first we will go with one requirement, then it will more easier to understand. So currently I have one object like receipt. I will open my receipt object. I will open one record. So in this record, I have a three button. One is edit, delete, receipt. For these buttons, I need to add the conditions. So what are my conditions? In here, I have some fields. Based on approval status field, I need to show these buttons. How? Basically, approval status is a pick list value. For example, in here, if I click on edit button, I can see the three values. One is pending, approved, rejected. So based on the value select, I need to show and hide that particular buttons. So my thing is, if approved status is pending, I need to hide the edit and delete buttons. So then how to hide that? So currently I am in my Lightning app builder. So in here I will go to button tab section. So currently I have edit, delete, new receipt button. So I need to add filter for this button. For edit option, I will add one filter like if approved status not equal to pending. In that time only I need to show this button. Click on done. Again one more time done. For delete also I add same filter. Click on done. For receipt also you need to add same filter. Like approved status is not equal to pending. Click on done. Click on save. Once you save, again go back to your receipt object. Now you can see currently my approval status is pending. I don't have any button. So then my second filter is if approved status is approved, currently we are showing edit, delete, new receipt button. When approved status is approved, I need to only show the new receipt button. Remaining edit, delete button I need to hide. First we need to go to Lightning page again. Click on that buttons. So we need to hide only the edit button and delete button. So how to hide? Again same click on that edit button. Click on one more add filter. So click on operator. Set filter like approved status not equal to approved. Click on save. Click on one more time save. For delete also add same filter like add filter. Click on approved status is not equal to approved. Then click on done. Again one more time done. Click on save. Go back to your receipt object. Currently approval status is pending. So if approval status is pending, I need to hide all the buttons. Currently I don't have any button. I will open another record. I will open approved record. So if the record is approved, I need to show only the new receipt button. Same like you can say approved status is pending. I need to hide all buttons. Approved status is approved. I need to only show the receipt button. Then at last, if approved status is rejected, I need to show only the delete and edit button. So how to add that? Just click on that particular receipt. Open any one of the record. Click on setup. Click on edit page. Click on that buttons tab. In actions, what my thing is, if approved status is rejected, I need to show delete edit button. So just click on edit. Add one more filter like if approved status equal to rejected, I need to show this particular button. So then click on done. Again one more time click on done. Go to delete also. For this also you need to add one more filter like approved status is equal to rejected. In that time I need to show this particular button. That's why just click on done. Then click on receipt. So in here we need to add one more filter because we don't have a rejection filter for this particular thing. So if I didn't add the filter for this, what happened? If I click on done, click on save, I will open the rejected record. If I open the rejected record, now new receipt button is also visible. I need to hide this button. I need to add reject filter for this also. So again go to edit page, click on new receipt button, add filter, approved status is not equal to rejected. Then click on done. Again one more time. Just click on save. So again go back to receipt object. Now I will open my particular rejected record. When approved status is rejected, I have only edit and delete options. So this is how we can hide and show the buttons by using filters. I hope you understand these things. Thank you for watching.